If she seems relaxed and open, it's a good sign she's comfortable and receptive. On the other hand, if she appears anxious or distracted, it might be best to wait for a better moment. Remember, the goal is to make her feel at ease. Pay attention to her responses to ensure she feels comfortable and respected throughout the interaction. Once you've assessed the situation, it's time to approach her with confidence and respect. Here's how. Start by making eye contact and giving her a warm smile. This establishes a connection and shows you're friendly and approachable. Keep it simple and genuine. Say something like, "Hi, you were sitting alone, and I thought I'd come over and say hello." This breaks the ice in a straightforward manner. Compliment something specific and genuine about her, like, "That novel is one of the reasons I get away from the high-energy pace of the city." This shows that you've paid attention and have a genuine interest in her. Start with a light, open-ended question to get the conversation flowing. Ask about her interests, her day, or something relevant to the setting. For example, "What brings you to this coffee shop? They put a lot of foam in my coffee. Since then, I can't stop coming back." Be an active listener. Show genuine interest in her responses. Nod, make eye contact, and follow up with related questions. Active listening demonstrates that you value her thoughts and opinions. Pay attention to her comfort level. If she seems engaged and responsive, continue the conversation. If she appears uncomfortable or disinterested, gracefully exit the conversation. You could say, "It was nice chatting with you. Maybe we can continue this another time." If the conversation is going well, suggest a follow-up. For example, "I've really enjoyed talking with you. How about we meet again and try the bagels? It looks good and I've been meaning to try it." This leaves the door open for future interactions and shows your interest in getting to know her better. Approaching with confidence and respect sets the foundation for a positive interaction. It's about being genuine, considerate, and aware of her comfort level. By doing so, you increase the chance of forming a meaningful connection. Your body language and demeanor play a significant role in how you're perceived. Here's how to ensure you come across as confident and approachable. Make eye contact when you approach her and throughout the conversation. It shows confidence and helps establish a connection. Smile. A genuine smile can put her at ease and make you appear friendly and approachable. Keep your body language open and relaxed. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting, as these can signal nervousness or disinterest. Approach her at a comfortable distance to avoid making her feel crowded. Pay attention to her body language and adjust your distance if needed. Speak clearly and confidently, but not too loudly. A calm and steady voice conveys confidence and sincerity. Remember, the goal is to make her feel comfortable and valued. Approach her with a relaxed and positive attitude, and let the conversation flow naturally. Approaching someone who has shown interest can be nerve-wracking, but by choosing the right timing and context, using genuine opening lines, and maintaining confident body language, you can make a great first impression and pave the way for a meaningful connection. Believe in your own value and approach her with the mindset that you have something to offer. This will naturally come across in your body language and speech. Stay humble. Avoid boasting or coming off as superior. Confidence should not turn into arrogance. For example, instead of saying, "I'm the best at so-and-so," you could say, "I really enjoy so-and-so and I've been doing it for a while." Listen actively and engage in a two-way conversation rather than dominating it. Authenticity is key to forming a real connection. Be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Speak truthfully about your interests and experiences. Avoid exaggerating or pretending to be someone you're not. Authenticity builds trust and rapport. Don't be afraid to share something personal or meaningful. It shows that you're genuine and open, which can encourage her to be the same. Be consistent in your words and actions. If you present yourself genuinely, you won't have to worry about maintaining a facade. It's important to show that you're interested in her, but you should do so in a way that makes her feel comfortable and not pressured. Give her your full attention when she's speaking, but also share about yourself. A balanced conversation helps prevent either of you from feeling overwhelmed. The right attitude combines confidence with humility, authenticity with openness, and interest with respect. By displaying these often, you can create a positive and memorable interaction that leaves her wanting to know more about you. It's crucial to steer clear of humor that could be offensive or controversial, especially when you're getting to know someone. Focus on positive and inclusive humor. Avoid jokes that target specific groups, touch on sensitive topics, or could be misinterpreted. Stick to neutral topics that are unlikely to cause discomfort. Funny stories from your life, playful observations, and harmless jokes are usually safe bets. Remember that humor is subjective. What you find funny might not be the same for her, so it's best to err on the side of caution. Pay close attention to how she reacts to your humor and adjust as needed to ensure she's comfortable and engaged. If she laughs and seems to enjoy your jokes, it's a good sign to continue with similar humor. Positive reactions include smiling, laughing, and playful responses. If she seems uncomfortable, doesn't laugh, or gives short responses, it's time to change your approach. You might say, "Okay, I promise no more jokes about my dancing skills. What's something that always makes you laugh?" If you're unsure whether she's enjoying your humor, you can directly ask in a lighthearted way. For example, "Am I boring you with my terrible jokes? Feel free to tell me your favorite kind." No matter how excited you are, try to remain calm and collected. Take deep breaths and focus on the conversation rather than letting your nerves take over. Maintain relaxed and open body language and allow moments of silence. This shows that you're comfortable and confident in the interaction. Give genuine compliments, but don't overdo it. Too many compliments can come off as insincere or desperate. A well-placed compliment goes a long way. Don't rush into planning the next meetup or expressing strong feelings too soon. Let the relationship develop at a comfortable pace for both of you. Patience is a virtue. Understand that building a connection takes time, and it's important to let things unfold naturally. By maintaining self-control and composure, avoiding over-complimenting, and giving her space, you can ensure that you come across as confident and respectful rather than edgy or needy. Look for cues that she's interested in continuing the interaction, such as expressing interest in meeting again or asking about your availability. When asking for her contact information, consider the method that feels most appropriate for the context and her comfort level. If the conversation has been particularly engaging and personal, asking for her phone number can be a good choice. "I've really enjoyed talking with you. Can I get your number so we can keep in touch?" For a more casual or less direct approach, asking to connect on social media might be more comfortable. "Are you on Instagram? I'd love to follow you and keep in touch." If the setting is more formal, such as a professional event, asking for an email might be appropriate.